Which Indus Valley site is located in Gujarat? Option C. Dholavira. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? Option A. 1757. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? Option C. Lord Mountbatten. Who introduced the permanent settlement in India? Option B. Lord Cornwallis. The capital of Vijayanagara Empire was? Option C. Hampi. The revolt of 1857 started from which place? Option C. Meerut. Who was the first woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Option B. Razia Sultana. Who founded the Indian National Congress? Option A. A.O. Hume. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? Option C. 8. Which is the largest lake in India? Option D. Chilika Lake. The Constitution of India came into force on which date? Option C. 26 January 1950. Which article deals with right to equality? Option A. Article 14. Which schedule of the Constitution deals with anti-defection law? Option B. 10th schedule. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution? Option C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Fundamental duties were added by which amendment? Option A. 42nd Amendment. Who is known as the father of Indian economics? Option B. Dadabhai Naoroji. When was the Reserve Bank of India established? Option B. 1st April 1935. GST was implemented in India in which year? Option C. 2017. Who presented the Union Budget in India? Option C. Finance Minister. ISRO was established in which year? Option C. 1969. Who wrote the national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana? Option B. Rabindranath Tagore. Who wrote the national song of India, Vande Mataram? Option A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who composed the national song of India? Option A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Dhyan Chand was associated with which sport? Option C. Hockey. The Ranji Trophy is related to which sport? Option A. Cricket. Which city hosted the 2010 Commonwealth Games? Option D. Delhi. Who won India's first Olympic gold medal in athletics? Option B. Neeraj Chopra. Which day is celebrated as Republic Day? Option B. 26 January. Which river flows through a reef valley? Option C. Narmada River. Which state has the maximum Lok Sabha seats? Option D. Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian satellite system is used for communication? Option B. INSAT, Indian National Satellite System. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Option B. Ganges River Dolphin. Who was the first Chief Justice of India? Option D. Justice H. Kanya. Which monument is called the symbol of love? Option C. Taj Mahal. Which river is the longest tributary of the Ganga? Option C. Yamuna River. Which city is famous for diamond cutting industry? Option C. Surat. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? Option B. Sarojini Naidu. Which day is celebrated as National Youth Day in India? Option B. 12th January. Which is the oldest high court in India? Option C. Calcutta High Court. Which river is the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh? Option C. Narmada River. Which festival is the harvest festival of Punjab? Option B. Baisakhi. Who founded ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization? Option C. Vikram Sarabhai. Which Indian scientist won the Nobel Prize in Physics? Option C. C.V. Raman. Which city is called the City of Lakes? Option B. Udaipur. Which state is the largest producer of sugarcane? Option B. Uttar Pradesh. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Option C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the founder of the Gupta Empire? Option B. Chandragupta I. Which Gupta ruler is famous for the Allahabad Pillar inscription? Option C. Samudra Gupta. Who wrote the book Rajata Rangini? Option B. Kalhana. The Chola dynasty was mainly powerful in which region? Option D. Southern India. Which reformer founded the Ramakrishna Mission? Option B. Swami Vivekananda. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place at Option B. Amritsar. Who was the first British Viceroy of India? Option C. Lord Canning. Which is the smallest union territory of India by area? Option A. Lakshadweep. Which Indian river originates from Amarkantak? Option B. Narmada River. How many parts are there in the Indian Constitution? Option C. 25. Who appoints the governors of states in India? Option C. President. The Finance Commission is constituted under which article? Option C. Article 280. Which amendment reduced the voting age from 21 to 18 years? Option C. 61st Amendment. Which body resolved dispute between center and states? Option B. Supreme Court. The Controller and Auditor General is appointed by? Option C. President. Which list contains subjects of national importance? Option C. Union list. Which amendment introduced GST in India? Option C. 101st Amendment. Which is the largest producer of wheat in India? Option C. Uttar Pradesh. Which institution controls monetary policy in India? Option B. RBI, Reserve Bank of India. What does NITI stand for in Niti Aayog? Option A. National Institution for Transforming India. Which bank nationalization year saw 14 banks nationalized? Option B. 1969. Which organization regulates insurance sector in India? Option C. IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Which mission was India's first Mars mission? Option C. Mangalyaan. Which state is famous for Satriya dance? Option B. Assam. Which sport is associated with the Davis Cup? Option C. Tennis. The Durand Cup is related to which sport? Option D. Football. Which state hosted Khelo India Games 2020? Option B. Assam. Which city is known as the City of Pearls? Option B. Hyderabad. Which day is observed as Independence Day? Option C. 15 August. Which river is called the Sorrow of Bengal? Option B. Damodar River. Which city is known as the City of Nawabs? Option B. Lucknow. Which state is known as the Land of Festivals? Option D. Nagaland. Who was the first Indian woman IPS officer? Option A. Kiran Bedi. Which state has the maximum number of national parks? Option A. Madhya Pradesh. Who was the first Indian citizen to go into space? Option A. Rakesh Sharma. Which Indian state is known for Konark Sun Temple? Option B. Odisha. Which city is known as the yoga capital of the world? Option C. Rishikesh. Which Indian state celebrates Hornbill Festival? Option C. Nagaland. Which city is called the Gateway of South India? Option B. Chennai. Who is the author of Discovery of India? Option B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is known as Lok Nayak? Option A. Jaya Prakash Narayan. Which state has the longest railway network? Option B. Uttar Pradesh. Which freedom fighter is known as Punjab Kesari? Option B. Lala Lajpat Rai. Which state has the highest number of languages? Option C. Arunachal Pradesh. Which monument is called the Victory Tower? Option C. Vijay Stambha. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Option C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.